What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What?
It's not that simple.
I keep my personal mini nail kit in my purse or whatever little bag that I'm carrying for the day, and my nail oil. Most people say cuticle oil, but y'all listen, I had to tell y'all another time about why I don't like using the term cuticle oil. How you gonna moisturize what's dead? Okay, anyway. But I'm using my personal container. It's a personal container or whatever because the oil comes out to the tip of the brush, and then you brush it on your skin. You don't want to share this with even your children, your husband, your best friend. I mean, who wants to? It's like sharing your toothbrush, like, or sharing your shower loofah, like, after it touched your skin, nah, go get your own or whatever. This one is a rose oil. You should take the time out of your day to stop and smell the flowers. And if you don't have any physical flowers, rose oil, it's good for aromatherapy. And for those people who get annoyed and have headaches, smell your flowers. Okay, get you some rose oil. Put it back up. And once you nourished your nails and your skin around it, like, don't forget your hands. Another essential in a nail care kit, especially a mini nail kit, what I'm talking about today is some hand cream. I'll put it in the description or in the link wherever you're reading this at, viewing this at. Two of my favorite types of hand creams that you can get. But yeah, make sure you get in between those fingers, the web, and yeah, moisturize your skin. I mean, it is not attractive to have some ashy hands and they look all rough and everything. So yeah, make sure you make love to your hands. Keep them diligent. Proverbs 10:4. The diligent hand makes rich. A slack, ugly, dirty, rough hands brings about poverty. Yeah, that's straight from the books. All right.